What is your favorite fish? Curry fish like this one, brown stew, steam, or fry? Let me know in the comments which is your favorite. Here we've got some curry fish. Welcome back, guys, to another video. Well, I had about two fishes, and but they were too big, so I decided to cut them in smaller pieces, fry them up. I will leave a list of my ingredients that I've used in my description, so make sure just to check it out. Let me know in the comments which is your favorite, and if you like this, I like this recipe that I've made. I also had some prawns in it, which was very delicious. As always, I don't try to disappoint. Yeah, so this is a curry dish. Let me know what you think in the comments. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more meal ideas. I have just burnt the curry. All my seasoning that I've used, I will leave in my description. So always burn your curry. Just give it a nice nutty flavor, and also keep it from running, getting the belly, going to the toilet a lot. So this is a good way to start. You're cooking curry, you need to burn it before. It's make the job so easy. So because it's curry fish, I make sure that I saute all my vegetables, and this is like making a sauce. Add a little butter in it and a little bit more seasoning. And I'm gonna add my fishes. The prawns I add at the end because I didn't want to overcook them. But yes, I add them and steam them down. And this dish was so delicious. It was. I'm not gonna lie, it was very, very delicious. Never normally cook curry prawns and curry fish. I think I've done it once, but this was very nice. Thank you for watching, guys. And like always, I appreciate your support. I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers. I'm almost there. So share with a friend and let them know that we're cooking Jamaican food over here. Love. Thank you very much. Have a blessed weekend. Thank you, guys. Bye.